Warm greetings. I am Balidan Singh Bodh, National Secretaries Coordinator of National and International Buddhist Society. Speaking on behalf of millions of concerned Buddhists across India and around the world, today I raise a matter of deep spiritual pain and global Buddhist concern on the ongoing misappropriation and discretion of Mahabodhi Temple at Bodh Gaya, the holiest site of Buddhism, the very land where Siddhartha Gautam attained enlightenment. The Mahabodhi Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is being gradually and systematically converted into the Hindu temple by the Bodh Gaya Temple Management Committee (BTMC) under the outdated and discriminatory BTMC Act of 1949. What is happening at Mahabodhi Temple? The temple is forcibly governed by non-Buddhists, and it's mandatory that the chairperson must always be a Hindu Brahman, not a Buddhist. Brahman priests conduct Hindu rituals inside the temple: Havan, Pinddan, Shraddha, Aarti, and other Vedic ceremonies, which have no place in Buddhist tradition. Hindu religious idol and symbols, including statue of imaginary Hindu gods and Shivalingam, have been placed inside the Mahabodhi temple next to the Buddha statue. They are performing rituals to Hindu deities inside the Buddha's sanctum, which is deeply offensive and traumatic to the Buddhist sentiments. This is not just a violation of UNESCO heritage guidelines and internationally religious laws. This is an assault on the dignity, identity, and spiritual autonomy of entire global Buddhist community. What are the consequences? Buddhist monk and pilgrim have been harassed, arrested, and even removed from the temple premises for peacefully protesting. Millions of dollars in donations sent by international Buddhist devotees and countries are misused under Hindu control, with no transparency or accountability. The temple premises and the town of Bodh Gaya are underdeveloped, neglected, and mismanaged, despite heavy tourist and spiritual inflow. The Indian government has remained silent, raising serious doubt about whether it supports the conversion of Buddhist shrine into a Hindu temple. Our appeal to UNESCO: as the guardian of global heritage, we urge UNESCO to dispatch an independent investigation team to assess and document of ongoing religious and cultural violation at Mahabodhi Temple. Issue a public directive or recommendation to the Government of India. Repeal the discriminatory BTMC Act of 1949, remove all non-Buddhist rituals, ideals, and unauthorized Hindu symbols from the temple, establish a Buddhist-only autonomous management body for the temple consisting of monks and Buddhist scholars, ensure full legal protection of the temple of Buddhist characters and sanctity under international law. We invite Buddhist countries and communities around the world from Sri Lanka, Thailand, Myanmar, Cambodia, Bhutan, Vietnam, Korea, Japan, and others to stand with us in this global struggle. Use your voices, your platform, and your diplomatic channel. Until the Mahabodhi temple is returned to the Buddhist Sangha, we appeal that no international Buddhist nation should donate to this temple, as funds are being misused by Hindu managers. This is not a temple of one country. It is teacher of humanity. The Mahabodhi temple does not belong to the religion or one nation. It belongs to the Buddhist, all human beings, and all those who reverse peace, compassion, and enlightenment. Today we are not just protesting for management changes, we are fighting for the soul of our faith. If we stay silent today, history will never forgive us. Let us unite as one global Buddhist Sangha. Let us protest the sanctity of Bodh Gaya. Let us rage, let us speak, let us act. Thank you. Jai Bhim, Namo Buddhaya.